everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. These will all be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. So let's go right on ahead and get into them. We will start right at the top like we usually do, and that is the color of the week. The color of the week is available from Wednesday through Sunday, and this is a really gorgeous purple. I am obsessed with it. It's going to go with so many Valentine's Day spreads. I think I might have gotten this off of a Valentine's Day kit actually, but it comes in your normal 15 sheets that you can either buy a la carte or you can purchase as a bundle, the doodles. And then there is also all 6 of the scribbler sheets, and these are available a la carte. And again, these are available Wednesday through Sunday, and this is color number 96. We also have some new doodles this week. We have a Kindle, a cookie, a silhouette machine, a Dymo label printer, a Frappuccino, a wedding sampler, these little like toasting champagne flutes, some wedding engagement rings in a box, and then also more rings. And these all have, it's like a row of gold, a row of gold, a roll of silver, a roll of silver, and then they have different colored gems on them. And then these ones are the boxes and the gems as well that match. So those are the doodles for this week. So those are numbers 851 through 859. We do have a new scribbler this week. This is the side eye scribbler. This is going to be scribbler number 78. She just looks peeved, TBH. We have those days, you know what I'm saying? Then I have some characters. These were all requests. So we do have Bob from Bub's Burgers, 154. We have Link from Zelda, the green version, 155. And then also Pac-Man, which is 156. Super stinking cute. We also have a new D-Stash bundle this week, and these ones usually go really fast along with the mini kits, which I think might be sold out now. But this one is going to be 5 foil bundles, so they're just like the current like format. Like you can buy all of these in shop. It's just gonna be a D-Stash bundle. There's not misfits or anything, but they're just gonna be 5 foil bundles. So for example, in this one there is, I believe this is shimmer silver, lavender hollow butterfly, a gold hollow celestial, a like sparkly hollow kind of situation, confetti version 1, and then a sparkly gold in confetti version 1 as well. So 5 foil bundles will be a great deal. These always go really fast because I feel like when it comes to kits, sometimes it's a little hard to use like one that you've already used or maybe used multiple times, but foil, like you can always have a couple extra bundles and pull them in future spreads. So that will be available Wednesday. And then there is also 2 foil bundles this week. I tried to pick ones that I thought really would look pretty with like this week's kits. I feel like they actually would look good with like all of them, in my opinion. I'll show you them when I bring each kit out. So the first one here is a mixed metal star foil bundle, and this is in matte bronze and matte silver, and I just think it's a really, really gorgeous combo. I love it. You have your full boxes and header overlays, your underlays, your newer format icons and scripts, as well as your date numbers, headers, deco, and the bottom washies. So that one is just gorgeous and will be really nice with a lot of different spreads, and I'll show you it with all of the kits this week. And then this one as well, I feel like goes with a lot, and this is the rose gold, not rose, but rose gold butterflies. And this will go with so many kits in the spring. It's just so pretty. I have like a love affair with rose gold right now. I'm just obsessed with it, and I'm definitely gonna be using this bundle. It's just so stinking pretty. Just feel like it's just so good. So let's go through the kits this week. Well, first, yeah, let's just go through the kits this week and I'll show you the foil bundles with them. So first things first is Kit and Jess requested for me, I believe at least, to reformat this kit, and I did reformat like the boxes and everything. But this is, I think it's called Apagado or something. Not totally sure. But I think it turned out really, really pretty. It's like a chill kind of like coffee shop vibes. Perfect for spring or anytime really with these colors. I love pink with brown. It's just so stinking good. Your extra boxes here, your half boxes and things, your deco, and then your bottom washi, and then you have the extra skin tone options for the 1 box in the front there as well. And that is Apagado. I believe that's how you say it. If it's not, let me know in the comments down below. And then it also does come in a mini kit. All of the kits this week do. And then add-on option wise, you do have the functional, the doodle, as well as ombre and label, and label 2, which is a brown. And then there is also fashion boxes if you want to pick them up. So stinking pretty. I love that. And again, with the foil bundles this week, I feel like this like gives it a look, like the matte colors, but then also like the rose with the rose gold with the butterflies would be really pretty as well, in my opinion. So that's that kit. Then we have Fairy Garden, which is a released colorway. I think it was a Cyber Monday exclusive colorway for Pixie Grove, which we have in shop. So if you like this art and you want it in a different colorway, or you wanted to lean more fairy, we do have Pixie Grove, which is the same art, but I did like rearrange the boxes. And this is obviously like a different colorway. And that one I went more like fairy tale with the elements given. And this one I went more like cottage core home vibes. And I think the colors in this are so stinking pretty, but I'm obsessed with this. Again, I think it would look really pretty with both of these, but my top would be the rose gold butterflies. Would be so stinking pretty. Ugh, look at the colors. Just look at them. And then let me just show you what the extra color is. This really deep berry. I feel like this is one that, again, could be used anytime. I feel like it definitely gives like March, April, May vibes, but also could give kind of like end of August, September kind of vibes. Really pretty with like leaves if you wanted to make it more like fall time. I love this bottom row. She's just so pretty. And then the freebie in the Ultimate and Mini is like St. Patrick's Day add-ons, because I don't think I did like a St. Patrick's Day kit this year. We have some in the shop if you look under shop by, and you can sort by holidays. But if you wanted to kind of like make this into a St. Patrick's Day kit, you could add in those boxes, and that would look very, very cute. So again, that's Fairy Garden. I was going to call it Fairy Cottage, but here we are. And then the mini kit, and then like I showed you, we got the label and the label 2, which is this gorgeous berry color. It's like really needed to pull that in and be really pretty. You have the functional and ombre along with the doodle, and then there is fashion 1, which is like the full boxes, and fashion 2, which has one tall box on it. So you have options there, and I am obsessed. I think it's so pretty. I'm just like, I don't know if I want to use it for fall or spring, because I feel like it really does go either way with these colors. But I think like a brighter foil, like not going dark foil, I think like bringing in a lighter shiny foil is really going to do a lot for this. There's a lot of options. This is just really pretty. And last but not least, we have a custom art. This is from Kit and Jess, and I have been wanting to do a like custom with Kit and Jess like this. I wanted to do like general fairy tale, but then I was like, well, let's just do like more like kind of D&D energy, because I feel like you could use this for a lot of different things besides just D&D. It could just be for fairy tale energy, depending on what boxes you use. And I'm just obsessed with this. This is called Bard's Tale, which, thank you, Jess, for the name, because I was pulling up a blank. You got a dragon. Was this a lute, I think? I don't remember. Ute. You got gold coins, potion bottles, like this is like an alchemist hat, and like a pack, owl bear, and some weapons, coins, a map, a little like campsite, the treasure in a chest. The lock has been opened, and I just love this. I think I want to use this for going to Gen Con this year, but it's just so good. And then I also thought it would be really cute. And then also, this is not like a well-known creature in D&D, but my familiar is, it's not like a bunnycorn. That's not what it's called. It has like a different name, but I really wanted it to be like in the kit for me. But you can use this if you want to make the dragon a double box, which I think would be cool if you did like this and it opened up and on the inside it was the dragon, or if you just did this as like an open this way and did the dragon. I think it would be really cute, but this was like a very fan servicey for me type thing, but he's still cute. My familiar's name is Lucifer, and he's just adorable. He's very helpful. And then you have like the woods. I think that's really pretty. And then you have this orc lady. She is very, very fierce and cool. And then there is just some food and then a little like tavern. So stinking cute, and I just love it so much. And like I said, I feel like you could take out different things to kind of make this general fantasy, or if you want to make it like a fantasy birthday set, if you know somebody who was really into fantasy, or if you don't really have a reason to use it, you can use it for my birthday. My birthday is April 23rd. Very, very cool. Then there is the mini kit as well. And then let me show you on the add-on options. There's quite a bit for this one. We do have label. We have label 2, which is this really pretty green. I feel like this would make it almost a little bit more like fall. So let me show you what, like, if you wanted to like sub it out, kind of what it would look like. That'd be kind of a cool sub out. If you wanted to take out like the bluish color, I think that probably my top choice would be to take out the bluish color or take out the reddish color, or add it in. Use all the colors. Functional ombre, the doodles, and then you do have fams. Come on. Come on. They're so good. Obviously me, love the like wizard elf here, but you know, we got variety, and I'm like, I might need to save like 3 different fams and just use like all different ones because they're so stinking pretty. I'm just obsessed. I just am obsessed. It just killed it. I remember whenever I got the art in, I was like, oh, took my breath away. Again, I think this would be really pretty with the matte bronze, matte silver stars, but I also think it'd be really pretty with the rose gold butterflies. I don't know. I really like them both. I have a lot of decisions to be made, and that is everything for this week, though. I really hope you like this week's new releases. Don't forget to sign up for mystery if you're not already. This year's mystery is beyond fire. There's one coming out like at the end of the year that me and Jess are already buying like foil for, which is just wild and crazy. So that is everything. Everything will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. Again, we have the 3 collections, one being a reformat, one being like a new color reformat kind of thing, and then one being new exclusive art. We have the 2 foil bundles, which will be on special pricing through Sunday. We have the D-Stash foil bundles. We have which these could be like similar or different as far as like what you could get, like all of our grab bags are. We have the new color of the week, which is again available through Sunday, the new doodles, the new scribbler, and the new characters. And that is everything. I hope you liked it, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye!